In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the ParkWiz app on Android. This process will guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily access parking solutions right from your phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, you'll see a vibrant interface filled with various apps and games. The Play Store is essential for downloading apps safely and securely. If you are not logged in, you might need to enter your Google account credentials. This is important as it connects your device to the store and keeps your downloads organized. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. This bar is usually marked with a magnifying glass icon. Once you tap it, your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type. Type ParkWiz into the search bar. This is the name of the app that helps you find parking. Ensuring you type it correctly will help you find the app quickly. It's a straightforward step, but accurate typing is key to a smooth search experience. After that, select the official ParkWiz Varus Find Parking app published by ParkWiz. You will see a list of search results, but look for the one with the correct logo and description. It's typically a blue and white icon. Selecting the official app is crucial, as third-party apps may not provide the same features or security. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the app's page, where you can see details, reviews, and permissions required by the app. Now tap Install. This button is usually located near the top of the screen. When you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This step might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. During the installation, your device is preparing everything needed for the app to run smoothly. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app. You can either tap this option or find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer later. This makes sure you can start using the app right away. The ParkWiz app will help you locate parking spaces conveniently, which can save you time and reduce stress when looking for parking. In conclusion, downloading the ParkWiz app on your Android device is a simple process. Start by opening the Google Play Store, searching for ParkWiz, selecting the official app, and finally tapping Install. Following these steps will ensure you have the app ready to help you find parking whenever you need it. Enjoy the convenience of having parking solutions at your fingertips.